right, as we look off to the western sky, a lot of beautiful colors. We had a lot of cloudiness across the valley today, and as we head into the evening, we're starting to see a little bit of a break in those clouds. And clouds act as a blanket to slow how fast we cool into the evening hours. For now, we're holding with a few clouds. 36 degrees in Fargo, feels like 32. Winds only 5 miles per hour, though, out of the south-southwest, so not too big of a factor. We have an identical temperature now in Moorhead, and looking up in Grand Forks, a little snow left on the dike is all we have. 36 degrees, wind only 6 miles per hour, and it's from the west with a dew point of 30. The air a little bit saturated, so some of that quick forming frost possible as cooling continues tonight. Temperatures in the low 40s for Sisseton, upper 30s out in the eastern third of North Dakota, including Valley City and Devil's Lake. Looking out to the east, though, Crookston at 32, Roseau 36, and Babe the Blue Ox at Bemidji has 37 degrees. Pretty uniform temperatures across the west. And when we look at the radar, it's showing a few green blips on it here moving through Grant County and Elbow Lake. Not all of this is reaching the ground, and it is pretty quickly moving off to the east-southeast, so I don't think it will be a factor in our forecast for the evening for too much longer. But be prepared for some wet roads, or at least a sprinkle on your windshield is about all that'll muster. Now, we are seeing this darker band out here moving out of the Park Rapids area, moving out of Wadena County pretty quickly as well. Some of that may actually be reaching the ground. Until then, look at the clear skies that we saw and witnessed on the sky cap. Out to the far west, Saskatoon and Saskatchewan seeing some mixed precipitation making its way in. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast if you're heading out on this beautiful Tuesday night. Temperatures will fall fairly quickly this evening. Light winds and clearing skies means we'll see some 20s in the early overnight as we head to bed. But for the evening, well, pretty seasonal. In fact, these temperatures in the evening above our average highs for this time of year. As we go through the overnight, we'll see temperatures dip and then start climbing back up as this band of clouds makes its way over the valley. So you rise and shine on Wednesday morning. We'll have temperatures in the upper 20s, maybe some low 30s out there. The model here is picking out a little green blip here or there. Can't rule out an isolated sprinkle or flurry first thing in the morning with this little weather hiccup working its way through. Wind from the south, 10 miles per hour to start the day, and heading through the mid-morning hours, we'll see temperatures rising pretty quickly. And we'll see a little bit of sun developing in our westernmost counties for eastern North Dakota, and we will soar into the 40s. Now, there's a little shot of cooler air that's going to lie itself right along Highway 2 up to the north. So I think our northern counties will see temperatures a little cooler than we've had the last couple of days. But down south will be about the same as we were today, maybe a degree or two warmer. I think low 40s for the Fargo-Moorhead area. And the reason we get warmer is more wind, and that increase in wind speed will help mix that atmosphere a little bit more and bring that warmth into the valley. We will melt more snow in places like Fargo-Moorhead and Hillsboro for tomorrow. Then as we go into the evening, we'll see the winds south 10 to 20 miles per hour and an increase in clouds late tomorrow moving in from the west. This could bring some rain showers for our western counties, and that could be mixing with and changing over to flakes of snow. Our next weather maker moving in for Thursday, we're going to keep our eyes on that for you. It does not look like a heavy storm system for us. Hour by hour forecast, Fargo-Moorhead, temperatures fall, and then before daybreak, they rise with the increase in clouds. Tomorrow, south winds 10 to 20. That'll be a change from today. A little windier. Temperatures soaring into the low 40s for Fargo. Elsewhere, southeast North Dakota at 5 o'clock. Will be coming down off those highs. Some low to mid 40s still, though, in the James River Valley. Lakes Country, mid and upper 30s for your afternoon drive home. And it looks like we'll see pretty clear skies and quiet conditions in the low 30s for the Northland. Mild, but increasing clouds up north and a chance for some late night sprinkles, changing or mixing to flurries. Thursday, best chance of any precip will be up north, but we'll leave a 30% chance in for the Fargo area of seeing some measurable snow here or there, maybe mixed precipitation actually. Then as we head through Friday, that's a better chance Friday and into Saturday. North winds on Saturday cool us off to highs in the 30s if you happen to be tailgating. That's the story of your weekend. It looks windy again on Sunday. Next week, though, we cool off down to the 20s with some more seasonable weather returning by Tuesday.
Oh, no,
Can you handle that?
I think we can. We've been fortunate so far.
I'll tell you what, it has been very, very good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks, Hutch.
Yep.
Well, up next.